So this is a tangle tutorial for a tangle called Beelight. We did this in a live, and then I took my own spin on the shading after the live. So you start out with lines. You can curve them or have them straight in one direction, then turn your paper and do them in the other direction. Then you pick a corner and essentially do crescent moon. So you can decide if you want to keep this little white spot as a shine spot or fill it in. When all was said and done and I was really working on this tangle and having fun with it, I ended up filling in those little white dots. So again, with all of our tangles, we start out with gratitude. Take some deep breaths in, breathe in the things that you're grateful for that make you happy. On the exhale, get rid of all the junk from the day. Work, family, all that stuff. Just focus on you. And now, light with the pen, light with the pressure, you're gonna aura this just like crescent moon. And if you want to have little shine spots on the aura, you can see how I left little spaces between them. And you do this on the whole page. Now, once all of this is done, you can decide how to shade it. Shading is very personal. Some people will shade things much different than others. Some want a certain look. Some just want to have fun. I really encourage you to really play with shading. And I just use a regular pencil and a tortillon. If I don't have a tortillon, which you can find at Joann's, Michael's, I have them in my Amazon affiliate link as well. You can use a Q-tip, or my favorite blending tool is my finger. So you can see how me just putting the shading down on that one line made a huge difference, but this is what it ended up turning out like. And it really, when you come on my lives, I'll have to show this again because it really is very 3D when you see it in person. I was trying to get it with video and pictures. So I do have quite a few video and pictures of this just because it turned out so 3D. It was amazing. So this ended up taking me, I'm not sure what day we did this live, but I've been working on it ever since. So I'm excited. I don't really know what it is. I just like that it's 3D, and I like that it doesn't really matter what it is. It's just cool, right? So you'll find that how these tangles look at the end will really depend on how you've been in your journey throughout the tangle process. Again, it's all about the journey to the end of the tangle. The tangle just happens to be the bonus at the end. Your tangles will change as you begin to change your habits while tangling. Have a great day.